I'd like you to meet the channel Flower and Glamorous with Beverly. Here is a quote by Beverly. Please take the time and read it. On her channel, she features flower gardening, as well as home cooking, where she shares some of her special recipes. And she helps out small YouTubers with videos like 7 affiliate programs to make extra income, or tips for small YouTubers / Black History Month, or how to promote your channel on YouTube. Please check out her channel and connect the right way.